All right, doing a walk around on this 46 Chevy truck. This truck just has some killer patina on it, sealed up in this linseed oil. There's a lot of different colors coming through. Cab was an original green. Actually, the top of the cab was replaced. It had like a tree had fallen on it, so there was a replacement on the top. But the cab was really solid on this truck. Floors all were rebuilt. And this truck was built really nice. I mean, a lot of good welding, good craftsmanship on fabrication. Put together really, really nice. That passenger door does require a slam. The windows do roll up and down. There's no door handles. You just use a wrench. But they take a little effort, but they do go up and down. And the glass is all good on it. But the patina is just killer. New bed floor. This truck is on an S10 frame, so it's got the fuel tank in the back. Real cool roll pan on the back. LED lights and signals, or turn signals I should say. Brake lights, all new wiring. Truck has a rebuilt 350 on it. I mean, everything's new under the hood. Trans is a 700R, been rebuilt. It's nice having that overdrive when you're cruising, but the 350 motor, all new everything. I mean, machined out, done right. A lot spent on it. Power steering, power brakes, four-wheel disc brakes. Just a very cool build here. Just a super fun truck to drive. Got the exhaust coming out on either side right there. Interior is just simple, basic, plain, and nice. Good Dolphin gauges on there. We've got a shut-off switch. Comfortable seat. Exhaust sounds good. Motor doesn't smoke, doesn't have any funny noises. Low miles on this. I think it's only got 400 miles or less on this build.